2025 is here, and you must be wondering how you can improve your year. Well, in this video, I will give you 7 quick tips to improve your year quickly. So leave your like and subscribe to the channel because the 4th and 6th tips are the best. Step 1. Set clear and realistic goals. The first step to an incredible year is to know exactly what you want. Grab a piece of paper and write down at least 3 important goals for 2025. And there is no point in just writing generic things like getting rich or being happy. Be specific. Something like save X amount of money by December, or read 12 books this year, or simply start a new business. The clearer your goals are, the more likely you are to achieve them. Step 2. Organize your routine. If you feel like the days are passing too quickly and nothing changes, the problem may be in your organization. Use a planner, an app, or even a simple notebook to plan your daily tasks and avoid that feeling of always running out of time. Plan your time carefully and look at your goals. Step 3. Learn something new. One of the quickest ways to evolve is to acquire new knowledge. It could be a new language, an online course, or even a different hobby. The important thing is to keep your mind active and always growing, and learning new skills can generate more opportunities in learning. Step 4. Cut out distractions. This tip is essential. How many hours a day do you waste scrolling through your Instagram feed or watching random videos? If you really want to improve your life in 2025, set limits on screen time and direct your attention to things that really matter. Through Step 2, you can add a basic time when you can purposefully procrastinate without destroying your time. Step 5. Take care of your health. There's no point in having incredible goals if you don't have the energy to achieve them. Start eating better, get a good night's sleep, and exercise. Even if it's just a 20-minute walk a day, your productivity and energy will increase a lot. Step 6. Create sources of extra income. This one is powerful. If your money always runs out before the end of the month, it's time to think of new ways to make money. It could be selling products online, offering services, or even investing some of what's left. The important thing is not to depend on just one source of income. Imagine a chair. It can't stand on just one leg, and you can't live on just one source of income. If the money from that source runs out, you have nothing. The chair has no legs. Step 7. Get out of your comfort zone. Nothing changes if you keep doing the same things. If you want a truly different year, you need to act differently. Say yes to new opportunities, meet new people, take more risks, avoid stagnation. Life begins outside your comfort zone. So, which of these tips do you already practice, and what do you plan to start today? Comment below. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Blast off!